And let's see what we've got here. We have, wow, a serious liquid cooling system. I think this goes right over the CPU, thus the brass. And then we have the cooling pipes and the cooler itself. How cool is that? And then we have lots of little, oh, they included some silver goo to affix it, which is nice. And another fan. Please like, share, and subscribe. Very important. And leave a comment down below. YouTube loves the comments. Engagement. It's all about engagement. And that's it for today. So, it's Cardinal Sin. Out.